Alright guys, my name is Anthony Tracy and these are some of my favorite Jamaican sayings. Alright, if you don't know them saying ya, una a Yankee. Una no real Jamaican. If you want good, your nose have to run. So what that means is, for example, if you want something good or worthwhile in life, you have to make sacrifices. What sweet nanny goat a go run in belly? So let's say, for example, you're doing something that feels good, but it's reckless or it's careless. It's going to eventually lead to problems. Empty barrel make the most noise. So this are for the people them will have run off them mouth and not have nothing up your son. Cow no know the use until before him lose it. This is when you don't appreciate something until it's gone. Every mickle make a muckle. This means every little bit counts. Alright, every small effort over time adds up. Cock mouth kill cock. So this is when your own words can lead to your own demise. Take sleep and mark death. So this basically means don't ignore the red flags where people show you. Always make a note of it for prepare you what's gonna come in the long run. At least that's what I think it means. Alright guys, so those were some of my favorite Jamaican sayings. But here what? Let me hear what some of your favorite Jamaican sayings now. Tell me what una granny them used to say. Big up on yourself and follow for more.